Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I wanted to share with you guys the process video for a pocket letter that I'm making for one of the Happy Mail folks over in my Patreon. So every month I make a whole bunch of Happy Mails to send to my Crafty Club members that are at the Happy Mail level. So I thought it would be fun to share this whole process with you guys so you can see what exactly goes into making the Happy Mails, and you guys can check it out, see if you're interested in joining. That'd be really fun. But yeah, right now I'm just trying to figure out and remember how I had all my stuff, because I do like to kind of pre-plan my cards a little bit. So I'm thinking this one I might leave blank for now. The center one, I wanted this plant to be here, but I'm gonna add some washi tape, I believe, because that's kind of what I do. And I'm just going to use a little scrap piece of washi tape right here to kind of help hold these cards in place, because last time I tried to make a pocket letter and I didn't do that, I failed so hard. So hard. So I do have this floral one too. I feel like that's a little bit much, so I'm just gonna use this pink one, I think. And we'll layer on some more, because that'll be fun. So sometimes I like to have the washi tape go all the way across. I feel like it just adds some cohesion to your pocket letters, makes the cards look like they all kind of go together, which is nice. Just gonna do that, and then maybe some of this teal on here too. Okay, and then you remove the middle washi tape, flip it over, and then you can cut the cards apart again. And then you have it look nice, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so I do want this guy on here. So I'm going to be using the Tombow adhesives today. I'm using the Adhesive Plus Permanent for all of my paper to paper, and then I will also be pulling in some of the Tombow Extreme for things that will be going on the outsides of the pockets, because I thoroughly enjoy doing that as well. So there's that. And then I really wanted to make a cluster out of these items here. I think that'd be really fun. So I just need to kind of remember how I planned this before. So I think I wanted the butterfly, I think I wanted it to be kind of like that. So I'm just gonna pop some of this permanent adhesive right here on the back. It'll be like that. Yeah. And I wanted the tag back here. So this is all going to go on the outside of the pocket, so it doesn't have to like line up or anything like that. I'm just like trying to remember how I had this, honestly. Because I wanted the XO showing, I believe. Then I wanted this little guy, I think, back here. Help tie in that pink a little bit, and then I'm thinking the flower would be actually really cute. Maybe kind of like that. Let me do that. So you see how easy it is to build like your own embellishment clusters using these adhesives. It makes it super easy, and that came together super fast. So that's pretty cool. I am going to go ahead and add some, do I want to use blue this time or pink? Why don't I use pink ones this time? So you can see I'm running out of my favorite pink jummies. That's okay. I do love them so much. And these are from Amazon, and I will leave a link to them down below in case you guys are interested in picking up your own. But they come in like 20 sheets like this, and you can see how teeny tiny these are, and then the big ones aren't super huge, which I also really love. Alright, so this will go kind of like that on the front. So I'm just gonna set this on here very gently. and then put some jummies on the paper. So I don't have to guess as much later. Okay, so that will be like that. And then do I want some on here? I might put something else on over here. I don't know yet. Let's go ahead and pop these guys into the pockets. Because I'm going to be putting this embellishment cluster on the pocket on the outside, I've actually gone ahead and added some of the extreme adhesive to this just to make sure that it stays in place and won't fall off or fall apart. So this will just go right on there. And I think it's super cute. And then the bonus is that it adds a little bit of texture to the front of your pocket letter. Like, not everything is hidden behind plastic, which I really enjoy sometimes. I think that's a lot of fun. And then you can still put things like in here. How fun would that be? You could put like some extra tags or something if you wanted, but I'm gonna leave it just like that. So let's go ahead and move on to the next row, I suppose. So I have a bunch of cards here. And what I wanted to do was actually cut down this floral so that it will fit in the pocket, and then I can put like some sequins or something in front of it. I think that'll be kind of nice to have a different shaped card situation in there. You can kind of see around and see through. So let's go ahead and put that in, just so I don't have to worry about losing it or messing it up. See, that'll be pretty, and then it'll be kind of see around, and I don't know, I think it'll be really fun. So we'll do that, and then let's go ahead and get going on these two. So I think this piece I want to be on the outside of the pocket again, because I really enjoy that. And then these two little tassels I was thinking of just putting kind of right in the middle. So I think that would be a lot of fun. So why don't we do that? And again, because I'm just gluing paper to paper, I'm using the Tombow permanent. I think maybe like that actually might look nice. Okay, so we'll do that, and then this will be layered on top, and that'll be really cute. And like that. So let's go ahead and add some jummies on here. Do that, and then that will be over top and super cute. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, for this one, I think what I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out, these little tickety bits. Okay. Something like that, and then maybe we can make another little embellishment cluster to go on the front here. This is going to be really small though, and this heart actually goes something else. So I actually kind of like it like that. Kind of want this to be like that, but I want like a word on top of the together, because I don't like the together there. It'd be wonderful, because I think that would fit in the ticket a little bit. That's all right. Okay, let's put some like washi tape or something on it. Let's save this card a little bit with some washi tape. Okay. Something like that. Let's add some jummies. Jummies to the rescue, right? Jummies to the rescue. Alright, I think that looks okay. So let's go ahead and put these in the pockets as well. There we go. And then let's go ahead and put this guy on here too, where he gets lost. Have that like that. But I do want this heart, I think, kind of on here somewhere. I'm not sure where yet though. Okay, next cards. All right, so I've got some situations going on. So I'm thinking, because I have the washi tape going all the way across 2 cards up here, I'm gonna have some more go down along here. I think that'd be kind of nice. Nice little touch, little detail. So again, I'm just gonna use this little scrap of washi tape to hold it in place. And maybe some of this teal color. And then some of this really cute black and white. Just really, really fun. Cut those apart. Take off the washi. And there we go. So it matches, which I personally love. I love it when it does that. All right, so I'm going to put a little, what's it called? Typewriter friend. Right on top of the black, like that. And then I have this little yellow heart I was thinking of putting somewhere. Maybe just up there would be cute. A little heart from here too would be fun. So these are stickers from Sunny Days, I believe. Okay, so we got that. Some jemmies. Oh, I want the jemmies. I don't really like that guy on there. That's okay, I suppose. Alright, so this one, I wanted this big tag on here. To look something like that. And then this will go kind of like this, I suppose. Man, you can't see any of the washi tape I put back there. It kind of blows. Actually, maybe I could do it like that. Like that might be kind of cute. Let me do it like that. Move that over a bit. Okay. Guy there. And then this plant I'm gonna put down here in the corner. And then some jemmies around him. That'll stay. Okay. So we go and put these in the pockets. And then I'm going to use more of that extreme adhesive to glue down this dream sentiment thingy. This dream today. I think it'll look really cute right there. And I was thinking maybe one of these little phrases down here just to kind of tie in the different, these two things down here somewhere. Yeah. Just pop that right there. And there's that. So I think we're just about done. So I wanted to put some washi tape along here, because that's how I like to finish off my pocket letters. Okay. And then I have not forgotten about this little pink heart. I'm just gonna slide this in here because my thought was to glue this to the front. But I know I want to put in like a little DIY sequin mix in here, and maybe I can incorporate the heart into the little packaging of that. So I think this is so super cute. I love it so much. So this is my finished project for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this pocket letter. If you want to see more videos like this, or exclusive content, live streams, or possibly even receive happy mail like this from me, please go check out my Crafty Club Patreon. If I can meet my big goal there, I'll be able to do a video every single day of the year here on YouTube. So definitely go check that out if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!